Gold, as expected, as predicted, traded bullish yesterday and has achieved 2008-10 levels, which was a greater resistance zone. I hope you all profited there. Now, what to expect from gold today? How we can profit again today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is the first update for the day. Second update will be released before the data release from US and the US session. Do watch that as well. Just press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts, and towards the end, I will give you trading strategy and levels. And yes, do join the channel memberships and support the effort. Let's start. Now look at the hourly charts. There is a sharp drop, consolidation, and the retracement here. And gold still has a room for it to rise towards 2020-2024 zone. But right now also, if you look at it, is consolidating its position. Moving average is crossing over here, signs of bullishness. And right now, if you look at lower highs, higher lows are seen, strengthening its position again here at this zone. Now remember, it has to break below 2000 levels, critical support levels, not only from the moving averages but also pivot levels. So 2000 is the level it needs to break, below which we can look forward to 1996. See, earlier the resistance, now is going to be the support, and it is only below, if it breaks below 1994-96, you can treat gold is reversing and it is going to trade bearish. Stochastic looking down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover here, which can lead to a little sell here, because see, a stronger rise can lead to a little fall possibly. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour charts. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see, prices are divergent from the 20 and 50. It has achieved the 50 period moving average, getting a little resistance there, and now trying to reverse here. Possibly now 2000 levels is something you should watch out for. And as long as, again, I'm saying 94-96 levels are not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Stochastic flat, MACD is in green, and it has seen a good rise. RSI is also comfortable. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, consolidation going on, waiting for a breakout, either which ways, whichever direction it gives a breakout. Possibly, see, if it stays above 2010-2012 zone, that is where the bullishness is there. Only and only if gold trades about 2010-2012, we can look forward to the next rise towards 2018-2020 levels. Possibility is there. The stochastic is looking downwards. MACD has crossed over few candles back and now trading bullish here. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, higher lows, consolidation going on. We have to now wait for it to break below 2000 levels. 2000 levels today are going to be critical support zone. Be careful of this. And as long as these levels are respected, rather, 1994-96 is the zone it needs to break, and only if it breaks below this zone, we can treat gold as bearish. Else, what is happening, you can notice, is this rise, it can come towards this zone somewhere 98-96 and then reverse. This is one possibility you should always look at. Stochastic here is near to overbought levels. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat. Coming to daily. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of April. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries, and if you just want to join the services, again, you can reach out to me. And do not miss to join the free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. Also, visit the platform forexfunda.com where you get all the markets related information and the option to discuss your trades with the community. The community of traders is there, and also you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Do visit the platform. All the links are shared in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. See, couple of greener candles, retracement candles with higher highs, higher lows. And if you look at the movement today, on the downside 94-96 indeed is a greater support zone. On the upside 2010-2012 are going to be the critical resistance. Also, one must notice prices, moving averages have crossed over here and are trading with divergence. It is certainly a bearish indication. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is still trading bearish. Remember, MACD has seen good bearish move, and it is right now again looking downwards. RSI is flat. So on the daily chart, there is still bearishness, but what we can see here is, look at the divergence of the price from the moving averages. Moving averages are almost running flat. There is a possibility that it can try to move towards these moving averages. Why? See, if you look at the movement here right now, it has been trading in this bearish channel, hitting the bottom. It is trying to rise. Where is the highs? Almost at around 25 to 2025 levels, but there are critical resistance at 2020 levels. So for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2006.5 levels, beyond which you can look forward to 2010 2012 zone as the first resistance zone, and then 2018 2020 as the next targets. Intermediate resistance is there at 2014, but I will still expect it to achieve the highs at 2014 2018 2020 if it continues to stay above 2010 2012 levels. That is the first comment, and that is on the buy side. On the sell side, I will only recommend you to sell here at 1999 levels, below which you can expect 2006 as the first target, and below 1996-94 as the first, and below 1996-94 we can look forward to 1990 and 88. This is going to be a critical support zone for gold, and if it breaks below 1988 1990 levels, certainly a sharper drop can be expected, taking it towards 1980 and 1972 levels. Remember, gold is still trading bearish, and uh, only and only if it trades about 2010 2012 levels, the opportunity or chances of reversal in gold today will be less. As long as 2010 2012 is respected today, we can expect a reversal, and on the downside 1988 1990 is going to be the next support zone here, below which certainly more bearish movement can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel, and friends, do press the like button before leaving the video. See you again before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.